This is how you can include a hyperlink text in Microsoft Word. So as you see here, I said watch more on my YouTube channel. And so I want this particular text here to actually be the link to the channel. So whichever link, whichever text you want it to have the link, make sure you write it. So after you write that, you highlight it and then right click. Then come and click on hyperlink. Then you go and copy whichever link you want to put there. So this is the link I want to copy my YouTube channel link. Then I'm back to Word. So you come and click on the address and then paste it. Then after that, you click on what? Okay. So you see, when anyone comes, whether it is I save it as Microsoft Word or PDF, when they click on this, it will what? Open to the YouTube channel. It will open the link. So that is exactly how you can create a hyperlink text in Microsoft Word. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section. Bye.